Surprise!
Oh, hey friends, what's happening? So today's real short video, I am going to do this technique of reducing blood sugar by using apple cider vinegar.
Wow.
They
Let's
say
go.
that 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar before meals help reduce blood sugar.
What?
So I have been trying this. Today I am going to mix my apple cider with some zero sugar Gatorade.
Oh my god.
And let's see here.
What's this?
How is everyone doing today, by the way, anyways?
Woo!
So,
Oh my god.
and after I do this, I said, okay, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix this with my zero sugar. Let me rinse this off real quick. I'm going to mix this with my zero sugar Gatorade.
Oh my gosh!
I'll just switch it around. So, bottoms up.
Let's go.
After I do this, I'm gonna go do my afternoon, evening walk. So, glad you're following me. Don't forget to hit the like button or hit the subscribe. Talk to you again.
Oh my god.
Yes.
A little bit of a bite, but not bad, because it's not that much. Ha! Okay, friends, so of course, after doing the apple cider vinegar technique, I follow up with some exercise. In my case, I do a 1 mile walk. You don't have to do this long of a walk. Any kind of exercise after eating helps reduce that insulin spike and therefore lowering your blood sugar.
Yeah.
So, apple cider vinegar along with exercise after eating your meals is a great way of reducing your blood sugar. Have a good day, you guys. Oh, before I leave you,
Yes?
don't forget, if you like this material, to hit the subscribe button, and also please feel free to share this video with some of your friends. Have a good one, you guys. Peace.